Hello, hello! This is Lucy from psychoDOLLogist. Let me tell you what we're gonna play with today. Oh yeah, it's the super cool Barbie Extra playset. So I don't know about you, but I've been eyeing this playset for months and months before I had the courage to buy it. And why am I saying courage? Well, that's because a person kind of needs to sacrifice an entire shelf for this thingy because it's really big. You know, I gave in because it's so pretty. There are so many unique, interesting things inside. Yeah, my birthday was slowly approaching, so I told my husband, you know, if you don't know what to give me, I might have an idea. And yeah, so that's what I got for my birthday. Thank you, Cord. And we're going to open it today. Today's the big day, the D-Day. But before we go at it, can you see who's behind me? Do you recognize her? Well, that's a wonderful Barbie from our second YouTube video, from our makeover. Did you see that video? Well, if you didn't, you really should have a look at it. I'll put a link somewhere up here because it was a great makeover. Or at least I think so. And I hope you will too. So maybe watch it after this video. Oh, and one more thing. Did you know about this light function? Like, how dope is that? Barbie Extra, only one of the coolest lines ever produced. Let's go. For some reason, some stuff has fallen over here. So pretty. Give me a doll with colored hair anytime. Hi, dog. This is really cool. Is there actually stuff inside? Yeah, SPF 59. Well, better than SPF 500, which is what I've seen on some Barbie SPF container like that. Also, on the side of the box, we can see everything we get. That's pretty cool. And on the back of the box, there is such a cool photo of the doll that we get. And don't even get me started on the stunning artwork. Okay, here we have some instructions, and what's next? We're gonna start with a few tiny things. Look at these lipsticks. I can't. Look at that. You can actually remove them. They're in these 3 rows, and I cannot believe that there is the logo, the letter B on the lipsticks as well. Like, this attention to detail, that's another level. Then there is this super cute mirror. And there is no way you cannot love these glasses. Okay, I have a little trick for you guys. So when you remove tape from an item and there is some sticky spot on it, just take that tape and tap onto that spot. And more often than not, that is going to remove any stickiness left. Try it next time. Not sure if you can see the stickiness, but anyway, let me do that. Yeah, it's gone. Just a little trick. Okay, what is this cute thingy? Yeah. So I want to preserve this little paperboard chair, so I gotta be very careful removing the stickers over here. Voila! It's out! The main thing is out. Wow! I'm in love. This is love. I think it is time for another trick. So here we have this thingy. Can you see the factory defect over here? Basically, there is an extra piece or layer of plastic, so we're gonna use this knife. I'm sorry that it's not the prettiest knife ever. Anyway, we're going to take it and basically yeah, oh, it fell. Anyway, it's gone. Maybe I'll do it a little bit more. Perfect. Okay, dolls, I'm now done unpacking everything, and let me say, I am shocked by the amount of cute things in this playset. Their quality, the creativity. I don't think I'm exaggerating if I say that I think this is one of the best things that ever left the Mattel factories regarding playline. Like, it's so good. And now let's create a room. Alright dolls, this is the final room. Yeah, I really only put what belongs into the actual playset. I didn't add anything so that you can really just see what's included so that you don't get confused, right? Okay, well, I think it's gorge. I totally love it. Oh, and here you get a little sneak peek of my other shelves. below and above, but yeah, I was gonna have to wait for some different video. Look at the beautiful doll. She's wonderful. Let me just say, unfortunately, her head is a bit loose. I really hope that's just my doll and it's not some general issue with these dolls. Let me know in the comments how yours is. I'm in love with everything. If you told me that all this stuff, this entire playset costs like $100, I'd believe you and I'd feel like, yeah, this is probably worth it. But we didn't get it for that much. We actually got it for like $40, I think. Look at that cute cell phone. Let's have a better look at some of the adorable miniatures. Wow. Huh? My human made a mess. Oh no, 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 no. Alright, Psycho Dolls. Well, I hope, or we hope, that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe because we don't want you to miss our future uploads, and I believe you don't want that either. Well, maybe in one of the future videos we're going to put more dolls into the room and more accessories, or maybe customize a thing or two. Does that sound like a cool video to you? So hit that subscribe button, please like the video. If you did, comment, share. You really can't go wrong with any of those buttons, so smash them. Also, make sure you follow us at Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at psychoDOLLogist. We have the same nickname everywhere. And how about you watch that video next? I'll see you there.